How to share multiple responses in the same Instagram story. First of all, launch Instagram, sign into your account, open your story where you have added Ask Me a Question story. Navigate to activity at bottom left and here you can see all the responses. To share this multiple responses, first you need to tap on a particular response and choose response share or share response. Once you come across this section, first of all, let me choose a background color. You can even tap on the bottom right corner colors and change it. So suppose in this way I have added a particular response. Now you can simply tap on the capture, select the three dots at top right and tap on save. After you have done that, you need to come back and choose discard option. And by following the same method, you can easily select the another response and tap on the share response. And now you can simply open the saved image from your gallery at bottom left corner and add as a background. You can place this questions or response anywhere and by let's follow the same step again. And finally, you can see that I have added multiple responses in the same Instagram story. So you can adjust everything, edit it once again, and tap on your story at bottom left. And with this, you have successfully added multiple responses on the same Instagram story. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.